know that drones are fast, but which sector has the most potential to benefit from this speed? Public safety and security. When mere minutes are vitally important, the unpredictable road conditions, insufficient resources, and the lengthy deployment time can all have a significant impact. That's why you need a drone there. Hi, I'm Jeffrey, General Manager of Aerodyne Middle East. I've been with Aerodyne Group in the Middle East for the last few years. Aerodyne is the world's largest drone solution company. We are a DT3 company, drone technology, data technology, and digital transformation. We provide our solutions to key clients in different verticals. VertikalitiOps was conceived and continuously developed through engagements with multiple clients. The clients have increasing demand for real-time and live data coming from different locations, and they would like to have maximum visibility and situational awareness of their sites. Developed by Aerodyne, VertikalitiOps is the next generation drone and security surveillance platform. It has several advantages and unique features. It has the ability to broadcast multiple drone footages on one single platform. All the mission data can also be uploaded and stored on the same platform for record purposes.
Most advanced drone, without any doubt, in the market, commercially available market, is the DJI M300. So it's packed with so many features which are safe, which focuses mainly on flight safety. M300 is equipped with an ADS-B receiver, which is crucial for detecting manned airplane in the area of flying. So this alerts the pilots if there is a low-flying helicopter or a low-flying aircraft in the area. So pilot can immediately take action to avoid these kind of situations. And also it has omnidirectional sensors, that means it has sensors all around the drone, like top, bottom, left, right. So even the sensors are redundant, so it's not one sensor. Each sensor has a pair. If one fails, the other one is enough for the drone to safely land. So with all these safety features and a robust design and the quality of the build is really good, and it can withstand rain, and it can withstand higher temperatures, and it can fly for a longer duration, which makes it really the best drone available now in the market.
In the recent mission with RTA, Aerodyne task is to provide traffic surveillance using drones and have the video broadcast on a VertikalitiOps platform on the mission command of RTA. So VertikalitiOps was the live streaming platform which received multiple videos from several locations in Dubai. We use multiple drones for the missions, the DJI M300 drones. So this is our preferred drone platform of choice for public safety and surveillance missions. 5G plays a very important role in ensuring high quality, high resolution video can be transmitted with minimal latency. So in the experience with RTA, we were doing real-time video broadcast from a location in Dubai to the mission command with minimal latency and stable feed. It was a very positive experience. So we have been involved on this project for 2 years, where we are increasingly advancing the level of technology. So the mission was successfully carried out with DJI M300 drone, and also using the available 5G or LTE network to give the kind of impactful and real-time video that the customer needs. Drones can provide the aerial vantage point of the scenario from multiple heights and angles. Traditionally, this wasn't possible. You will have limited visibility over the particular area. You will not be able to monitor crowd control effectively and efficiently. With drones, you are able to address all these challenges.
Drones are the ideal first responders. They cut down on response time, improve effectiveness, and save lives.